Okay, guess where I am today? We are at the Kala Academy. It's the craft Mela. This is the month of January 2025. So there is a craftsman exhibition cum sale going on here. We will take a walk, see what's on show. Today is the 26th of January, Republic Day. Okay, so it's the last day of the exhibition. So we'll just see what's available. Quite a huge crowd. The entrance, big crowd. Musical instruments. Sorry. All kinds of carpets and kiddies toys and clothes, artificial plants, no, natural plants. Back scratchers, flutes, instruments made of bamboo. किधर से? यूपी. किससे किया वो? 750. किससे किया? किससे? सेरेमिक वर्क. ये क्या जग है?
कॉफी मग.
हाँ,
कॉफी मग.
क्या?
कॉफी मग.
बड़ा वाला नहीं है कॉफ़ी मग?
हाँ है.
उससे बड़ा.
हेलो.
ये कैसा?
450.
ये
350.
कॉफ़ी मग्स.
इससे भी बड़ा चाहिए?
कौन सा?
प्लेट में.
हाँ ठीक है, देखेगा. कॉफ़ी मग्स. Ceramic coffee mugs and other utensils. So the craftsmen have come in from different states. As you know, the Kala Academy is the cultural center. But because of their sprawling grounds, it's a kind of convenient place to have exhibitions. The neighbors complain that there's too much of congestion because of it. Pottery, earthenware. Maybe we should walk this side. Ladies' shoes, clothes. Mattresses or mats or God knows what. Folding something. I didn't catch it. Jewelry, artificial jewelry. Pillow cases, I guess. Gloves and socks. Socks कैसा?
100 का 3 पेयर.
अच्छा, 100 का 3 pairs. Come back for it. Shoes, sandals, chappals. Sorry. Clothes, statues. किससे किया?
ये वुडन का है सर, लकड़ी का है.
वुडन
का है. ये फिर 5,000 रुपये.
5,000. कौन सा वुड?
कोकोनट वुड है.
हाँ,
नारियल का झाड़ रहता है. कोकोनट वुड.
कोकोनट. किधर से?
केरला से.
केरला. He's from Kerala. Okay. There is some music and entertainment in the evening, so you can expect some noise. कैसा कैसा साढ़े 750 हाँ The stage is there, that's why it's noisy. We are walking towards the stage. Holding something. Holding stand, I guess. कैसा? 300. Pant piece? क्या है pant piece? हाँ. Not bad. Toys. Toys, more toys. कैसा?
450 कलर में आएगा दोनों साइड में आएगा वाटर में खाती है
Not bad, not bad. Hi, hi, hi. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine.
Frederick.
Yourself.
Yeah. Frederick. Flowers. It's really getting crowded. It's really getting crowded. Huh? How Sigmund? This will be a good place for pickpocketers. I better button my back pocket. Okay, so we'll quickly go along the first row. Max, you look quite good, no? बाबा कोई क्या ले आई है? कोई क्या लिया? किधर से? मैथ्स किधर से? आसाम कैसा?
2000 1800 आपको डिस्काउंट आता है
अच्छा ठीक है या so he's offering a discount today being the last day. It's come from Assam. I seem to be the only one walking against the tide. Everyone is coming in. But I'm just trying to get a feel of what we didn't see. Okay. Clothes, all kinds of things. All kinds of things. Bangles. Okay, these are the stalls. Probably the more organized government ones. I don't know what. Herbal hair oil. What is this? Tribal Cooperative Marketing Federation.
I'll take more, but I want proper price.
Looks almost feels as if the cooking vessels are made of mud. Could be. I'm not sure. I don't want to bug them because they are busy. Okay, Goan jewelry.
White pearls are coming, white pearls, small ones. Plain with gold, white pearls.
Chain and pearl made. That's ready.
कसले हजार
Ready.
कितने हजार दिले
750. Best start. खूप चालतं.
So Goa has had a reputation for jewelry. These are the Goan jewelers. If you go to places like Bombay, you will find Goan jewelers, Pednekars and Shirodkars and those kind of things. Nagvekars and Lotlekars even in Chira Bazaar. So they are quite artistic and quite good at it. And it's a centuries old, more of the same. Centuries old craft. Goan jewelry. So the story goes back that in the early 1500s, after the Portuguese first landed in Goa, they sent back a goldsmith to Portugal to show off his skills to the king. And there's a book written on him. His name was Raulu Chatim. Raulu Chatim. This really looks interesting. कैसा कैसा
केसर नहीं है सर
नहीं कैसा मिक्स
Which one? मिक्स वो उसमें 22 आइटम है
हाँ
500 पर पाव में आएगा सर
500 for
पाव के
हाफ किलो
क्योंकि इसमें 22 आइटम है सर
अच्छा किधर से
अफगान से सर
हाँ
अफगान से
अफगान थोड़ा दिखाओ
विच वन सर
जस्ट मिक्स आइटम
धीरे को देना फिर
थोड़ा एक ही जस्ट अ लिटिल बिट
दिस इज मैंगो सर
ओके
दिस इज ब्लूबेरी एंड
गिव मी पाव किलो
ओके सर क्योंकि मेरा हाथ जो है ना पूरा एक वजन है मेरे को वजन हो गया है मेरा हाथ से देखो इसको पैक करो
आप किधर से
अफगान से
हाँ
अफगान से
अफगान से हिंदी बोलता है
मैं MBA किया हूँ सर
हाँ
MBA किया हूँ सर
MBA किधर
पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी
पुणे बस एक ही बस नहीं एक ही बस थैंक यू
450 पर पाव
Okay, from Afghanistan, dry fruits. It's tough for them, I guess.
ये 300 का है 500 के दो 300 के है 500 के दो
What is he selling?
बोलू
Kilos.
तारी दे तुम्हें ना
Just when I was thinking the background is getting a bit silent. Paraben free. So. What's that? Khadi cotton shirts. Interesting. Khadi cotton shirts. मेरा साइज है
मिल जाएगा सर, साइज बताइए आप।
44
44 शर्ट दिखाए या कुर्ता?
शर्ट
शर्ट हाफ स्लीव या लॉन्ग स्लीव?
हाफ
हाफ।
एक मिलेगा तो दो लेने पड़ेगा, एक मिलता है
500 में 2 पीस। आशिक भाई
वैसा कलर नहीं है,
साइज देखिए आप, साइज दिखा दो।
बाद में आते हैं। Not bad.
Madam, 2 piece 500, straight pant 4 piece.
Sorry. Ask permission before click to video. We are in the second lane. First lane. No, sorry, second lane. We went in for the first, we came out in the second. It's been quite heavily advertised, and a lot of urban population nearby. So I guess it's an attraction. Sorry, bumping into people.
Sir, your media.
No. There's some conversation going on. What is this lottery? Okay, big stall.
उस टाइम पे उनको ये और ये बोलना है ना?
Win 21 lakhs. Everyone hoping to become a millionaire. Goa State Lottery. I have not seen it for ages. Goa State Lottery has a history of its own. In colonial times, Portuguese times, it used to be used for charity. Solar water heaters. So in colonial times, in Portuguese times, the lottery used to be used for charity. And then after 61, the puritanical government came in saying that it should be banned. But after some time, I think it was also restarted, if I'm not mistaken, and it became popular under this old Portuguese institution called the Providoria. Today it's kind of leased out to some private parties. Little bit of controversy there over who gets the leases and all that. So there's a story there in itself, a full story. Subject to the details. Yeah, good luck. हाँ 50 रुपये क्या लक का है वो गुड लक का है गुड लक so the small sandal is supposed to be a good luck sandal. No sandals.
हाँ ये किसी की दुकान है, ये भाई की दुकान है।
Natural dry fruit. Pure cotton, khadi shirts. क्या है चिकन?
जी सर चिकन आएगा
कुत्ता
मैडम टेबल मैट्स रनर वॉल
कसे
100 rupees 8.
100 rupees
8 pieces.
8 pieces.
इसमें चीनी है ना? इसमें नहीं चीनी।
कसे कसे
या तो हो गए हाँ
कसे
100 चीनी वाला ही गुड़ वाला
ये कितने
200 टेस्ट करो दिखाओ वो दिखाओ मेरे को टेस्ट करने के लिए विदाउट शुगर बाबा को दे
टोपी पण खूप चांगली वाटते तुम्हाला कोटी घ्यायची तर कोटी पण आहे आपल्याकडे
Just a man. When?
I think I have located it.
Very good.
I will send it
Please.
in 2-3 days.
Please, please,
And
please.
what about that interview? You
Yeah,
called
yeah,
me
yeah.
on
I'll come. But first send me this, no, please.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Sure. Thanks. Thank you so much.
और आप भी
I will locate
First time you come here?
No, when before COVID, I used to come.
I see.
Govind met myself.
No, for the,
Oh, local sir?
yeah,
No, the second time. First time I came with Govind in the morning
I see.
to buy shirt.
Okay,
And now the second visit, second and the last.
okay,
this year.
okay. Cheers, Vinayak.
Do that, huh?
Sure.
You also,
Nice meeting.
3 days, huh?
Sorry? Sure. कैसा?
पाव 250 सर 250 रुपये
You used to have a stall, no?
रूम वाटर
That was books.
वाटर करूँ सर
This is Rohit Bhande.
Hi. Yeah, we met.
Frederick Noron.
We met at Varsha.
Frederick Noron.
No.
पान बोलो कच्ची पान बोलो अनारदाना बोलो
I call him Rico.
ना फक्त ते ऑन जे बॉर्डर टॅक्स काढपा ऑनलाईन टॅक्स मेळटा सॉरी 400 मुझे खाइए
Children's toys.
आता मिळायला लागलाय त्यांना मागणी
It's really crowded.
में ले ले, एक कुछ और कलर में ले ले, ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ.
कुछ नया आया है. नया तो कुछ नहीं है, जो है वो नहीं है.
Getting late.
चढ़ जाइए, चढ़ के चले जाइए मेरा.
He's then walk carefully. He's placed all his mats on the floor. Okay. So this is towards the stage. Towards the stage. Okay.
बोर्डिंग. You know, duster folding.
Something folding. Lokutsav 2025. Some food and other stalls here. That's your stage. Waiting to start. Waiting to restart. It's interesting to see what the crowd is for. Pottery exhibit. Pottery demo. From clay. He's saying you have to take it up. From outside, take it up, he says. Support it from inside and take it up. Person वर घेवपाक जाय. From bottom you take it up.
लोग नीचे बघता रे.
Getting dark. I guess there are more lanes here, but that's it. Quite artistic. Live sketch. He'll probably sketch you. Snacks and fast food and paintings and
from the China.
watercolors and my god, you can spend half a morning here. कसे धाकटे कसे 5.5 व्हडले येता
20 इंचाची हाईट ते 1200ची आसा 1400 अकॉर्डिंग टू हाईट
अकॉर्डिंग टू हाय
तुम्ही खंय आसता
मैड्या ही 550
मोयड्या खंय
चारी वाडो
भितर
भितर
देवळा कडेन
देवळा कडेन
मानशा कडेन
मानशेर आमचें वर्कशॉप आसा
मानशेर
मानशेर वर्कशॉप आसा
So they are from Moira. They're from Moira. Thank you. Thank you. How do we see?
आणि एमने फंडिंग बी
Looks neat, no? बाय कसले लाकडाचे हे बाय हे कसले लाकडाचे कसले लाकूड
मातीचे
माती आणि हे
आकाशी
आकाशी Not bad, no? Not bad at all. $1,600. Roughly life कितले आसता? हाँ? काय जायना? कितले वचाक? Unused. Right. She's saying nothing will happen to it. Amazing, no?
किती देऊ मग वीट नंबर देगी कारीगरी मोगी देगी तार नंबर देगी
किधर से?
गुजरात
गुजरात. गुजरात. You can make out the crowded stalls probably have better products.
mau nih ini aku bayang ngegor ya sana boleh sana sini ya
हां
आणि ती आता एकाच मी समज मम्मी सुद्धा बरी दिसते जाल्यार हांव तिका दिवं शकता पळय ती बरी आसा ना
सिटी का मैडम किंग साइज ये लो 750 का 600 में दे दो
bedsheets, clothes.
बरें जाल्यार बरें आहा
A lot of shoe stalls for some reason. We are almost out. We missed a few lanes. There's a lot more of it. There's a lot more of it there. But time is short. Patience is shorter. So with this, we'll wind up here. It's getting past sunset. So thanks for being with us. I hope you saw something, even if you didn't make it physically. We are out on the main road. Okay. That's it for today. Bye.